Welcome to Germany. Opening a bank account is one of the most important first steps after moving here. Without a German bank account, everyday life can quickly become difficult. In this video, we'll explain how banking works in Germany, what documents you need, how to open an account, common problems to avoid, and which banks are best for newcomers. Let's make your start in Germany easier. Why you need a German bank account? A German bank account is essential for daily life. You usually need it for receiving your salary, paying rent, setting up contracts, and handling everyday expenses. Many companies in Germany only accept payments from German bank accounts. That's why opening an account should be one of your top priorities after arriving. What is a Girokonto? In Germany, the standard everyday bank account is called a Girokonto. This is your main account for receiving money, making transfers, paying bills, shopping, and using a debit card. Most people in Germany use a Girokonto for almost all financial activities. Think of it as your financial center in Germany. Germany has different types of banks. Traditional banks have physical branches and personal support. Online banks usually offer faster setup and lower fees. Sparkasse banks are local public banks with many branches across Germany. Private banks often focus on premium services. Digital banks are fully app-based and popular among expats and younger users. Each type has different advantages depending on your needs. To open a bank account in Germany, you usually need several important documents. Most banks ask for your passport or ID, address registration, and sometimes your residence permit or tax ID. Some banks may request additional documents depending on your nationality or account type. Preparing everything in advance makes the process much faster and easier. Can foreigners open a bank account? Yes, foreigners can absolutely open bank accounts in Germany. EU citizens usually have a simpler process. Non-EU citizens may need extra documents such as a residence permit. Students, expats, and freelancers can also open accounts, although requirements may differ slightly. Many banks today are very international friendly. One important decision is choosing between an online bank and a traditional bank. Online banks usually offer lower fees, fast account opening, and modern mobile apps. Traditional banks offer personal support, branch services, and easier cash deposits. The best choice depends on your lifestyle and personal preferences. Opening a bank account in Germany is usually straightforward. First, you complete the online application. Then you verify your identity using video identification or sometimes during a branch appointment. After that, the bank checks your information and documents. Once approved, your account becomes active and ready to use. The process can take anywhere from a few minutes to several days. After approval, the bank sends your debit card and account information by mail. You may receive your bank card, PIN letter, online banking access, and mobile app instructions separately. Once everything arrives, you can activate your account, make payments, transfer money, and use ATMs. Always keep your banking information secure. German banks may charge different types of fees. These can include monthly account fees, ATM withdrawal fees, international transfer costs, and credit card fees. Some online banks offer free accounts, while traditional banks may charge monthly fees. Always compare prices and conditions before opening an account. Understanding fees can save you money later. Some newcomers experience difficulties when opening a bank account. Common issues include rejected applications, missing registration, Schufa problems, or language barriers. Different banks also have different requirements. If one bank rejects your application, don't panic. Another bank may accept you. Preparation and patience are very important. Several banks are especially popular among newcomers in Germany. N26 is known for its fast online setup and English support. Sparkasse offers many branches and cash services. Commerzbank combines traditional banking with good online services. ING is popular for modern online banking. Deutsche Bank is useful for international customers and long-term banking. Compare features carefully before choosing. Here are some important banking tips for life in Germany. Always check fees carefully before opening an account. Avoid overdraft debt because interest rates can be very high. Keep your IBAN and banking information safe. And use online banking securely by creating strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and avoiding public Wi-Fi for banking. Good habits help you avoid future problems. Let's summarize the most important points. A Girokonto is essential for everyday life in Germany. Having Anmeldung makes the process much easier. Always compare banks before making a decision. And for many newcomers, online banks are often faster and simpler. Choosing the right bank can make your life in Germany much more comfortable. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide helped you better understand how to open a bank account in Germany. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments. See you in the next video.